Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the official Windows 11 ISO file from the Microsoft website. So first of all, you just need to go to browser and search for Windows 11 ISO download, and you will find this microsoft.com download Windows 11. So just click on this link here. I'll give the link in my description box, so you can just click on this link. And after coming to this website, you will find here the download Windows 11 disk image, which is the ISO for 64-bit devices. Now you just have to click on this select download option, and you can see Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for 64 devices. Click that. Before downloading, you can see there's the manual here to check if you have the 64-bit PC, and also how to download, and after that how to get the ISO file to transfer it to your USB bootable device. And if you're good to go, just click on this confirm, and now it's just going to validate your request. Now you just have to select the product language, and I'm going to select English United States and click confirm. And now after a couple of seconds, you can see verify your download. Click on the 64 download Windows 11 English, and now as you can see, it's starting to download on my PC. Now this ISO file is 7.2 GB. Depending on your internet speed, it will take some time. So after downloading the ISO file, you can just transfer it to your USB bootable device, and then you can install your Windows 11. So that's it guys, this is the video that I'll share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.